A few weeks ago, I saw a comment that really stood out to me, and it made me think, I'm 15 and I want to make money, but I don't know how. Can you give me video ideas where I don't have to use my voice, face, or do complicated editing? This comment came from a 15-year-old boy, and he asked a pretty common question. So many people want to make money online, but where do you even start? Especially if you don't want to show your face or buy expensive equipment. I decided to help him out. I did some research and found 4 to 5 ideas, but I knew I had to pick one that's super simple but still amazing. It's something you can easily do on a mobile phone without buying anything extra. And the best part, you can make money from these videos, and they're copyright-free. First, take a look at this channel. He's doing the same thing and getting a lot of views on his videos. Now, let's check the earnings of this channel. According to Social Blade, he's earning between 5,000 to 88,000 USD monthly, just by copying and pasting other videos. You can do the same and earn a lot of money. Check out one of his videos so you can get an idea of what we'll be doing in this video.
My friend, think about this deeply for a moment. If it's true that studying makes you a millionaire, then why aren't all of our teachers millionaires? And if going to college truly leads to owning expensive cars like Rolls-Royces, then why do our teachers ride scooters? Why isn't the professor who teaches business studies in college a successful businessman? Since childhood, we've been told a lie. If you study hard, you'll become a prince. But that's not true. Most rich people aren't highly educated, and ironically, the majority of unemployed.
You see how easy it is to make these types of videos? And trust me, you won't spend a single penny making them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a monetizable copy-paste video without showing your face and voice and go viral on both YouTube and TikTok. First, we need a script for our video. I'll use ChatGPT for this. Open ChatGPT and paste the exact prompt I'm using. You can also try other ideas by getting inspiration from this one. Now, ChatGPT gives us the script. Next, we need a voiceover. For this, I'll use 11labs.io. It's a free text-to-speech tool that gives you 10,000 free words after signing up. Simply paste the script here and click on the voice button. You'll see a lot of voices in both male and female options. Select the one that fits your video. I'd recommend choosing a deeper voice because it leaves a strong impact on viewers. After that, click the Generate button, and it will create your voiceover. Then, click the Download button, and it will save to your computer. Okay, so now we have our script and voiceover, and we need a background video. Go to TikTok and search satisfying videos. You'll see hundreds of videos. Pick the ones with the most views and download 4 to 5 of them. The next step is video editing. You can use any video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. If you're a beginner, I suggest using CapCut because it's simple and easy to use. You can even follow these same editing steps in the CapCut mobile app. Open CapCut and click on New Project. First, adjust the video ratio by clicking on Modify and selecting 9:16 since we're making a short video. Now, import all the materials we downloaded earlier. Drag the videos to the timeline. Don't use these videos without a bit editing because there is a chance of getting copyright strike if you use them without any editing. Trim parts of the videos and change the position of the clips. For example, if one clip ends here, scroll the bar and press Ctrl+B to cut it. Go to the next video, select a clip. Trim it and change its position. Simply drag the clip, and it will adjust automatically. By doing this, you'll avoid copyright strikes on your video. Let me complete the trimming and adjusting part. Now that the trimming is done, the next step is to add transitions between the clips. Go to the Transition tab and choose the Pull-Out transition. Add it between the clips. You can also use filters to make a good impact on videos. For this, click on Filters and pick the suitable one. I'll pick the Clear 2 filter. Now drag the voiceover below the video. As you can see, the video is longer than the voiceover, so we'll either cut some parts or speed up some clips to match the length of the voiceover. If you want to add subtitles, click on the text button, then click on Auto Caption. Choose English, and it will generate subtitles for your video. On the right, you can adjust the font size, text style, and even add animations to your subtitles. Next, add some background music. I recommend using YouTube's audio library to avoid copyright strikes. Go to YouTube Studio, scroll down to the audio library, and search for inspirational music. Listen to the tracks, choose one, and download it. Now get back to the CapCut. Drag the music below the voice. Adjust its length and then lower the volume. Now, our video is ready. Click Export. And boom, we're done. Let's check out the result.
The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. Growth begins at the end of your comfort zone. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning. What you focus on expands, so choose your thoughts wisely. Change is inevitable, but growth is optional. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Happiness is found when you stop comparing yourself to others.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Don't count the days. Make the days count. When you let go of what you are, you become what you might be. Dreams don't work unless you do. Your only limit is the one you set yourself. In every moment of choice, you either step forward into growth or back into safety. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You are never too.
Upload a minimum of 3 to 4 videos daily on both TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and within a month, you'll be surprised by the results. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.